Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Gaurav and in today's video I'm going to show you all how I apply my under eye gel without pulling and tugging my skin, because we all know that our under eye area is super sensitive and it can cause serious tissue damage. In this video, I'll be using my favorite Dear Klairs Fundamental Eye Awakening Gel. Why this product? Because it gives you deep hydration, it's non-greasy, non-sticky, it's vegan, and when it comes to my skincare, I truly trust K-Beauty products. Okay guys, so right now I'm not wearing any kind of makeup or any filters, so you can see my skin and so don't get scared. Just kidding, I know I'm pretty. So anyways, so use your middle finger and take half of the pump of your under eye gel, mix it like this, and then you have to create a C shape thing here, and same this side. Alright, so the next step is use these two fingers and gently massage your under eye area. Make sure you are massaging it very gently, and that too you have to massage inward side, guys. Don't do it like this way, massage inward. So last thing that you have to take care while applying your under eye gel or cream is that you don't have to get really close to your eye area, because anyways whatever cream or gel you are putting, it flows in your skin, so don't worry about that. Yeah, that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to like and follow my channel, that is urban.lad on Myntra Studio. I love you all. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.